Alright guys, how you doing? Here I am, back at my truck again. As you can see, it is filthy and really dirty. What we're going to be doing today is something that I should have probably done quite a while ago. After about 500 to 700 miles, you want to go back and double check your sway bar, bolts and nuts and everything to make sure that nothing came loose. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a quick short video, let you know if anything came loose or if there's anything that you might want to be concerned about if you do it. So let's hop into it. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna have to work a lot of overtime. Alright, so we're gonna reach in here. Alright, that side is nice and tight. We're going to run around to the other side, check that same bolt, and see what we got. So, let's get you up under here. And hopefully that looks good to you guys, which looks pretty good to me. So we're going to get this on here. And yep, that one's tight. So now we're going to go underneath of the truck and check all them bolts. The top two downlinks look pretty good at the top, so we'll see what they look like at the bottom. Let's check these, see if these are... Nope, they're tight on that side. Let's check these. See, these came loose. Alright, that side was definitely loose. So now let's take a look at this side and see what we have on this side. Yeah, these were a little bit loose too. That's good. And they're good. Okay, so it just appears as though it was just the U-bracket. So I'll go back and check them in another 500-600 miles. They could have been a little bit loose from, maybe I was just tired from breaking the bolts loose from the day when I installed it, or maybe they just came loose. I mean, they do have Teflon inserts, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under there with a marker and I'm going to mark it so that way next time when I go back to tighten it, I'll be able to see if it actually did loosen up. So once again, guys, always double check what you do, make sure everything's good, and you never know what'll happen. Things do get loose. I mean, there's a lot of vibration under there. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, guys, get out there, keep trucking. See you later.